gumagawa na ako ng bloopers. Hi guys, this is Marfi and welcome back to my channel. So today, got tayo na everyday makeup. So ito talaga, everyday ko tong ginagawa sa mukha ko. And tonight, well, day off ko ngayon. So ngayon alis ako and I'm doing my makeup. So yes, let's start. Natural Miracle Finish Oil Control by The Face Shop. So, ano pangalan nito? H? I think. Kasi dati ginagamit ko Laneige, yung ganun, Oil Control SPF and shade Sand. I think ko beige ata to. So, yun. So, just, it's a cushion. So, para siyang BB cream or CC cream. Top motion lang. May gusto pa lang pag-usapang product. I really recommend this product because I love it. It's working for me, especially to my lips. So I'm using this Laneige lip sleeping mask. So bali, sobrang helpful niya. Kasi ako, hinado ko, lagi akong chapped lips. And this one saved my lips. Bali, bago ako matulog, lagay mo lang, and then pagising mo, wifi mo lang. And then you have a really good, smooth and plumbing lips. So, thank you, Laneige, for a really good product. Recommend this one so much. Next, so I'm gonna be curling my eyelashes. Curl na siya. Next, Kiko Makeup Milano for my eyelashes. Bali, ginagawa ko siyang everyday kasi ano siya, 30 days extension daily treatment mascara. So it's a good mascara and then I think it's making my eyelashes longer. So I've been using it and feeling ko paubos na siya. Siyempre, don't forget your lower lashes. Next! So, with my eyebrows, since pinapatuyo natin yung eyelash natin and ang buong makeup ko ay puro eyes, so habang pinapatuyo natin yung mascara, so yung sa eyebrows, you guys know na naka-tattoo yung eyebrows ko. So, hindi ko na siya yung nilalagay ng makeup sa sin. Yan, it's all done. Yan yung eyelash ko, no? Diba? Maayos na yan. Everyday naman makeup natin. So, gagawin ko na lang, I'm just gonna set it with my 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. Done! Next! For my cheeks, I'm gonna be using Smudgebug A-Light Highlights Blendable Lip and Cheek Color Stick Color by the Color Laura Canyon Coral. It's this one. Di ko alam kung meron dito nito, pero ata sa ibang malls. Pero nakuha ko to sa Sephora sa LA. Ano ko ito? Medyo peachy na orange. Peachy. Actually, peachy na pinkish side. Mukha lang tirang cheeks. Next. So, gamit natin sa eyes. Yan. Anyway, ayun ang Kiko Milano Silver Eyeliner. Bali, ito para siya sa lower lash line. So that's my secret for making my eyes pop. Ito lang, para mabaga konti yung. Then for my upper lash line, I'm going to be using a block. So maybe I'm using the Maybelline Master Liner, Weekend one. It's just a block liner. Any block liner will do, as long as it's a soft pencil. So kung umitin yung ganito sa taas, hindi ko lang. Ito kasi sanay, medyo ano na dito. Pero sa upper lash line ko, ito ginagamit ko. Bale, ginagawa ko siya para magkaroon pa ng block. Kasi pagka ginagawa ko kasi, pag mascara, tapos naglalagay ako ng eyeliner sa taas ng thin layer. Para merong pang white dito. So, yun yung nagka-cancel out ng white. So, bali pag nilagay mo yung block sa taas, magmumukha pa siyang, magpa-pop pa siya lalo. And, hindi siya mukhang may gap ng skin. So now, I'm gonna be using this same eyeliner for my eyeliner sa taas. Hindi ako gumagamit ng liquid eyeliner kasi, ewan ko, parang hindi ako na iisihang gawin. So ito kasi, gusto mo na as in yung pinaka, yung ditong part. Ito, yung pinaka sa eyelid, yung pinaka dulong eyelid ko sa yung lash line. Sundan mo lang yun using this. Yeah, let's do it. So, tignan mo, hindi siya mukhang perfect line. It doesn't have to be a perfect kasi hindi talaga ito gagawa ng perfect line. Pero, pag di naman, as in, meron pa rin block, diba? Next! I'm gonna be using a brown eyeshadow. I'm using a point brush. So, lagyan lang tayo niyan. Then, sa ilalim ng so, may nagtrapatay tayong powder dito. And then, I'm gonna be using that for my konting nose line. Back! Next! This is, you know what? Nakita ko lang to by accident. Pumunta akong bench, sa may counter. Pinakita ko mga makeup. And then, I saw this one. It's a bench. It's a highlighter from Bench. And I've been using it for 2-3 years. May nalang care kung expire na siya. Pero, maganda kasi siya. Yung wala na nga ako, hindi ko alam kung saan ulit ako makakahanap nito eh. So, since wala na siya, dati ginagano ko lang to. But now, since wala na siya, and natanggal yung makeup ko, I'm using my finger. And then, I'm just gonna put it in here. So, hindi siya ganon ka shimmer na other highlights na ginagamit ng iba or ginagamit din sa nose. Hindi siya yung it'll cut you shimmer. Pero yun yung actually hindi siya shimmer. It's a glow. It'll give you that glow. So, mukha tayong fresh as fuck. For my lips. So, it's either two. Meron naman ginagamit na dalawa. This is from Kiko Milano. It's a lip stain. And I love this. Pero parang mga nata siya. And now, I've been addicted with this one. It's Laneige Two-Tone number 3. Alam ko anong tone na pinata. It's orange and pink. So, pag hindi ganun mo, mukha siyang peachy. But let's try this first. What I usually do, I put some chopsticks on top of it. So it's done. Or maybe you can use this one. You know, we can try it. But I usually with this one, in-overlap ko yung ito. And then, I'm gonna pop this. So, yung orange part, yun yung nasa loob. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna blend it. I'm just using that motion to blend it. What's good with this one, it's very moist. Yeah, I'm done. This is my everyday makeup. I hope you like it. You can try my techniques And you can do it really fast too. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it. Give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, see you to my next vlog. Bye!